Hello, welcome to my new videos. Assalamu alaikum. Everybody fine. Today new videos electricity and firstly house wiring. Your current fuse open. Do you open? And secondly, you house wiring for house board open, and your alert cutting plus and signal test for tester and etc element parts of electricity. And second time, you need to present and cool fresh mind, and then electricity work. And viewers, electricity is very carefully solving test, and then today these rules were learned. Thank you very much. Next time, next video will next time. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.